Bananas are packed with essential nutrients and offer numerous health benefits. 1. Rich in nutrients. Bananas are high in potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and dietary fiber, providing a range of essential nutrients. 2. Heart health. The potassium in bananas helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of stroke and heart disease. 3. Improved digestion. High fiber content supports healthy digestion and helps prevent constipation. 4. Energy boost. Bananas are a great source of natural sugars, fructose, glucose, and sucrose, and carbohydrates, providing a quick and sustained energy boost. 5. Exercise performance. Due to their easily digestible carbohydrates and potassium content, bananas can help replenish energy stores and reduce muscle cramps during workouts. 6. Weight management. Despite their sweetness, bananas are relatively low in calories and fat, making them a filling yet healthy snack option. 7. Nutrient absorption. The fiber and resistant starch in bananas may aid in nutrient absorption, particularly in the gut. 8. Mood and brain health. Bananas contain dopamine, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, and vitamin B6, which may help with cognitive function. 9. Improved vision. The presence of vitamin A in bananas contributes to good vision and eye health. 10. Skin health. Bananas are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help maintain healthy skin by combating free radicals. Incorporating bananas into your diet, whether eaten fresh, added to smoothies, or used in baking, can provide these health benefits and contribute to a balanced and nutritious eating plan. Certainly, bananas are one of the most popular and widely consumed fruits globally. Here are some more interesting facts about bananas. Botanical information. Bananas belong to the Musa genus and are classified as berries botanically. They grow on large herbaceous plants that are not considered trees, but rather the world's largest herb. Varieties. There are numerous banana varieties, but the most commonly consumed worldwide is the Cavendish banana. Other varieties include plantains, red bananas, baby bananas, also known as finger bananas, and more. Each type varies in taste, size, and texture. Cultivation. Bananas are cultivated in tropical regions worldwide and require warm temperatures, adequate sunlight, and well-drained soil. They're harvested when they reach maturity and are typically transported while still green to ripen off the plant. Harvesting and ripening. Bananas are typically harvested green and ripen naturally over time. Ethylene gas is sometimes used to expedite the ripening process for commercial purposes. Culinary uses. Bananas are incredibly versatile and can be eaten raw, sliced into cereals or yogurt, blended into smoothies, baked into bread or desserts, or even cooked in savory dishes in some cuisines. Nutritional value. Besides the health benefits mentioned earlier, bananas are low in fat and cholesterol, making them a nutrient-dense and healthy food choice. Storage. Unripe bananas can be stored at room temperature to ripen. Once ripe, they can be stored in the refrigerator to slow down further ripening and extend their shelf life. Banana peels. While the flesh of bananas is commonly consumed, some cultures use banana peels in cooking or for medicinal purposes. Banana peels are edible when cooked and can be used in various recipes. Symbolism. Bananas hold cultural significance in many societies and are associated with tropical regions, health, and vitality. They're often used as a symbol of happiness and prosperity in some cultures. Bananas are not only delicious and nutritious, but also an accessible and affordable fruit, enjoyed worldwide for their taste, convenience, and health benefits.